Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I will be guiding you through how to download Clearpay application on your mobile device. So let's get started. The first thing to do is to tap open your App Store. Go to the search box at the top of the screen and type in Clearpay. Look for the application in the search result and tap on the Get button to begin downloading Clearpay on your iPhone. Once you press Get, wait for the application to download and install. Clearpay is a popular buy now, pay later service, particularly in UK and Australia. It allows you to split the cost of your purchases into 4 interest-free installments due every 2 weeks. You can use the app at thousands of online and in-store retailers across various categories like fashion, beauty, electronics, and homeware. And that is how you can easily download and install Clearpay application on your iPhone. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.